Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news bulletin. Before heading to the news in detail, here's a glimpse of the headlines. Chhat Puja culminates with morning Arghya. PM Modi extends greetings. GHADC winter session ends with heated debates on land disputes and financial transparency. NEHU students protest and hunger strike over alleged incompetence of officials. Community leaders demand action over abandoned road project in Ribhoi district. And NHM Employees Association of Meghalaya holds 4th AGM launches online portal. Now the news in detail. The 4-day Hindu festival of Chhat Puja concludes today with Prime Minister Narendra Modi extending greetings to the nation on the auspicious occasion of the morning Arghya. In a post on X, the Prime Minister shared the glimpse of nature and culture seen during the 4-day ritual of Mahaparva Chhat fills the countrymen with new energy and enthusiasm. The festival, dedicated to the sun god, involves unique rituals of offering prayers to the rising and setting sun, with devotees fasting for 36 hours, abstaining from water. A ruckus broke out in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly today following a debate on the abrogation of Article 370. Khurshid Ahmad Sheikh, brother of engineer Rashid and MLA from the Awami Ittihad Party, was marshalled out of the house after raising strong objections. Slogans were also raised against the People's Democratic Party (PDP) during the heated exchange. Devotees in Shillong marked the 3rd day of Chhat, a festival dedicated to Lord Surya and Chhati Maya, with prayers at local ghats. The festival, celebrated in several states, emphasizes a deep connection to nature and the preservation of rivers and ponds. On the 3rd day, worshippers offered prayers to the setting sun, with the festival concluding with the worship of the rising sun. Participants stressed cleaning rivers and promoting awareness of Sanatan culture. The winter session of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC concluded yesterday with a half-day session marked by intense debates on land disputes and financial operations. Opposition leaders Andrew Shulai and Bright Star Chermang raised motions to address inefficiencies in land services, though both motions were withdrawn following a request from the ruling party. The session also saw queries about the issuance of NOCs for cement plants and the revenue generated from transport and minerals. CEM Thambor Shiwat provided key financial details, reporting Rs 8.88 crore in revenue from transport and Rs 116.59 crore from minerals.
Date of assumption will be 2nd September 2004. Number 2, Sri Marti Gordor Lamin, promoted as executive engineer.
Students of Northeastern Hill University NEHU protested yesterday by burning effigies of Vice-Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla and other officials, accusing them of incompetence. The protest followed a memorandum demanding the Vice-Chancellor's resignation. The students vowed to continue their hunger strike until their demands are met. Meanwhile, Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar, also the Chief Rector of NEHU, called on NEHUTA and Meta NEHU to mediate and urge the students to end their hunger strike for health reasons. NEHUTA President Professor Lakhon Kumar confirmed that the meeting with the governor was to inform him of the situation and discuss possible solutions.
And that much at least he has assured us that he will do everything possible as a chief rector to, and his main concern, like all of us, was that kids should not go like this. No, they are on hunger strike. It's so sad because ultimately university is meant for them. If they are not there, we teachers are not there, nobody is there. People may come and go, VCs may come and go, teachers may come and go, non-teaching staff may come and go, but the university must stay, and it must stay for the student community of this beautiful state of Meghalaya, and of course the entire region, and of course the whole country as such.
Community leaders from Sakhoi Kuna Umdap and nearby villages in Ribhoi district have filed a complaint with the Public Works Department in Nongpo, protesting the abandonment of a 5-kilometer road project under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana scheme. The road, intended to connect several villages including Paham Maulen and Sakhoi Kuna, was left incomplete by contractor after dismantling the old road, causing significant disruption to local residents, especially farmers and school children. Led by Lawrence Nongrum, the Joint Action Committee has given the contractor a 1-week deadline to resume construction or face further action.
Ikalong bangin aipor ya o kontraktor hapo si tayaw ban sedang ban pentreno ya katay ke project bat uhap ban pendep ya katay ke project haswa umas hajar arpusan bat ngilapanru naka office ya ka DPR ka detail project report bakum kinong penyak snong bangiru ngila ban page ban khmi. The
NHM Employees Association of Meghalaya held its 4th annual general meeting at St. Paul Parish Hall in Nongpo, with Nongpo MLA Miralbon's Aim as the chief guest and Ram Kumar, Secretary of Health and Family Welfare, as the guest of honor. The event saw the launch of an online web portal for NHM employees and the commencement of online registration for staff. SAME praised NHM's progress in improving healthcare in the state, while Kumar emphasized the need for continued collaboration to ensure quality healthcare services for Meghalaya's residents.
I must place on record my sincere thanks to each and every one of you who have worked despite of so many challenges that you have been through during those times. But still, you didn't listen to all the criticism that has been made, but you work day and night.
Shaken Christian Upper Primary School in Matan marked its 50th anniversary yesterday with a cultural program and the inauguration of new facilities, including a building funded by the MLA of Nongpo and a public toilet funded through the MDC Nongpo constituency scheme. The event was attended by prominent dignitaries including Miralbon Aim, MLA of Nongpo, and Balajit Rani, MDC of Nongpo. The school plans to upgrade to a secondary school with a goal of becoming a higher secondary institution. Raitong Government Lower Primary School in Ribhoi celebrated its 75th anniversary yesterday, with Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma announcing plans for a new school building and facilities for 6 other schools in Mauhati constituency. Minister Sangma highlighted the government's commitment to modernizing education in Meghalaya and urged students to embrace language learning. Mauhati MLA Charles Marngar also attended, advocating for more educational institutions in the region. The event featured cultural performances and a reflection on the school's 75-year legacy.
The government of Meghalaya, under the able dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Madam Amperin Lingda, about 25 number of young people from our state has already gone to Japan and will be sending to Australia, will be sending to Hong Kong, different parts of the world, to serve as a nurse.
The 2024 Meghalaya Youth Exchange Program concluded yesterday with a ceremony graced by DC RM Kurba and Director Didi Shira. The week-long event featured cultural exchanges, talent showcases and competitions. Winners were honoured in a prize distribution ceremony and 2 youths from each district were selected for the International Youth Exchange Program in Indonesia. Boni Khemdat from Ribhoi was also named a United Nations volunteer and received the State Youth Icon Award from the Governor. The one-day Shramdan cleaning drive in Khandailat, organised by the Central Bureau of Communications, Shillong and the Meghalaya government under the Swachhta Hi Seva campaign, ended with a lively musical evening. The local rock band, Sop Rock, entertained the crowd with energetic performances of popular English and Bollywood songs while promoting the importance of keeping Shillong clean. The event saw participation from officials of the Press Information Bureau, local residents and tourists. And now the weather report. Minimum temperature recorded today was 10.7 degrees Celsius, while maximum temperature was recorded at 22.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 54%, which increased to 60% in the evening. Forecast: dry weather most likely to occur. Before winding up this news bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Chhat Puja culminates with morning Arghya. PM Modi extends greetings. GHADC winter session ends with heated debates on land disputes and financial transparency. NEHU students protest and hunger strike over alleged incompetence of officials. Community leaders demand action over abandoned road project in Ribhoi district. And NHM Employees Association of Meghalaya holds 4th AGM launches online portal. And dear viewers, that's all we have for you in this news bulletin. Do tune in again with us tomorrow, same time, same channel. Thank you for watching. Good night.